Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any new uploads. And as always, enjoy the video. On April 29, 2023, officers with the Houston Police Department were dispatched to the scene of a major vehicle crash. A witness had reported that a speeding truck going about 50 miles per hour ignored a stop sign and struck another vehicle in the intersection. The driver of the truck was observed throwing cans of alcohol out of the vehicle before fleeing on foot down the street without checking on the people in the other vehicle. Fortunately, he only made it about half a mile before being stopped by the local neighborhood Batman. I think it goes without saying, but alcohol and half marathons don't mix.
Put your hands on. Let me see your head. Put your hands back.
Put your hands in your back.
Put your hands in the back. No se mueva. ¿No tiene nada en los bolsillos? Ese teléfono de él. ¿No tiene nada en los bolsillos? ¿No tiene armas? ¿No tiene nada así? No, nada. Levántese. Want to search him right now? You don't want to search him? I say we search him, then we just open the bag.
You said what now?
Search him out here and then...
Yeah, I'm about to search him right here.
What?
They're gonna take him?
Yeah, he just hit somebody and left.
Yeah, I know.
So, yeah, he's going to go.
Yeah? I got baggies in the back, bro. Alright, going to get a bag.
Alright, just stand over there, alright?
Por favor, señorita, póngase atrás allá.
What's going on?
Can I know what happened?
Who are you?
The guy you arrested, he's my husband's uncle. He just called me and told me that he was running. I don't know.
Yeah, so, I mean, very quickly, I mean, he was involved in a car accident and he ran away. So.
Is he under the influence?
It looks like it.
Okay.
We still have to do the test to determine if he's actually under influence.
But more than likely, yeah. Okay, yeah. So where is he going now?
Who's driving this one? He took off?
Hey, he was driving and he was trying to hide the cans.
When did he take off?
Just about 10 minutes, yeah. I already told the other guys.
He took off 10 minutes ago?
Yeah, I witnessed it from that, I saw the whole thing.
Okay. He was driving this one?
The passenger that owns the car is in the ambulance, and the guy was driving. He was here a while and then he took off. He just started walking.
Who's involved in the crash? Is it just this car?
That car right there, the guy's laying down there.
Okay. And then this one?
This guy was here a while, he's hurting.
Okay.
And the driver took off.
Okay. Alright. And were you involved in the accident? Yes or no?
No, I live here.
Oh, you still live here? Okay. Is he the driver? Is he the driver?
Yes.
Okay. Are y'all related to him?
No, I was the one that called. I was driving behind him there. You know, the accident.
Okay.
That's his mom.
Did you see what happened?
Yes.
What happened?
So, we're like, just regular. He was like turning that way and the white car was going like...
He was turning here?
Yeah, the white car was going really fast.
One more time. This car was turning from this street, going this way?
Going that way.
Okay. And the white car was coming straight?
Yeah, but he was going like 50, like he was going really fast.
Blew the stop sign and hit him? And then this car flipped over here? Okay, thank you.
44-year-old Jose Gutierrez was arrested on one misdemeanor count of driving while intoxicated. His previous criminal record includes possession of a controlled substance and stealing roofing shingles from an old woman, as well as a hit from Immigrations and Customs Enforcement. As of the editing of this video, Jose remains in jail. He must not have had enough roofing shingles to make bond.
We already searched him and everything. If you want to just change his cuffs.
Oh, yeah, let me go. You just take him off. Is that blood on his mouth or dirt?
Dirt.
What's the other dude bigger?
He's like a tall, lanky guy, I believe.
Tall, lanky guy?
Yeah, he's tall.
Just have him pinned down. Nice.
Basically.
So y'all were on the phone with them at the time?
Yeah.
Hey, I know what I'm talking about.
Hey.
Man, y'all so helpful. I appreciate it, bro.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you're looking for more content, consider subscribing to the channel or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next one.